Okay, so today is the last class for the sketching of different types of functions, and the last one now is the exponential sketches, exponential equations, and the general form is this one: a r power x plus b, where r, they are telling you that r is
हार
a
गया इसमें।
positive number. What? Come again? कौन आया?
सर वही पूछ रहे थे कि इसमें आहार क्या होता है।
R is a rational positive number. It cannot be negative. It can be rational, means it can be integer, it can be whole number, it can be a fraction as well. So it doesn't matter. And R power x and a and b. So over here, the most, what you can say, the generalized format for the equation, a simplest equation, sorry, example is, let's suppose 2 power x. So if it is 2 power x, over here you will see that you will have a horizontal asymptote. There is no vertical asymptote over here. There is horizontal asymptote over here. And you will always have the y-intercept. You will have to find it. Your x-intercept may or may not be. May or may not have x-intercept. It depends on the equation. Let's see. So in this example, we have 2 to the power of x, the most basic one. And in this example, the x-axis is your asymptote. X-axis means y is equal to 0, which is the x-axis. This is the asymptote.
क्यों
Yes.
सर ये क्यों
Let,
अच्छा है y is equal to 0 डॉट क्यों होगा
अभी बता रहा हूँ, अभी बता रहा हूँ. Let me complete this. Let me do a few questions, examples, and then people can ask you questions. And then finding the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, you know what do? You input your x as 0. So y is equals to 2 power 0, which is equal to 1. So this means it is passing through 0, comma 1. So 0, comma 1 is this point. This is 0, comma 1. And in your graph would start like this. And it will never cross the x-axis, okay? X-axis is the asymptote. It will remain positive. The graph will remain positive. It will be above the x-axis.
हाँ सर ये
So
सब तो समझ आ गया सर अपनी लाइन कैसे बनाई जो ये 0 पे लाइन बनाई है
0 per line, that is the asymptote. Look, I'll show you over here. 2
ये
power
कैसे
x.
आया आपको बस 0
This is what happens. I'll tell you. Sabak. Look at the graph. We have the similar one. So graph is going up in the positive x-axis, and to the left side it is horizontal. It is parallel to the x-axis, but it will never cross the x-axis because x-axis is the asymptote for this graph. Okay, and now to take it a little bit further, this b value, whatever is being added to the exponential part, this is y is equals to b. This will always be your horizontal asymptote.
सर
Yes.
मगर y इज इक्वल टू 2 पावर x में b की वैल्यू तो है ही नहीं.
B की value 0 है. 0. There is nothing being added. So y is equals to 0 is the horizontal asymptote, which is what? The x and the x-axis. है ना?
यस
There is
सर।
nothing being added to the 2 power x. So this means the value of b is 0. And if b is 0, this means y is equals to 0 is the horizontal axis. Oh, sorry, horizontal asymptote. And y is equals to 0 is the line of x-axis.
वो
That's why.
सर तो
Yes.
मतलब जो ये AR पावर x है उसको ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे कि हम y को ढूंढने के लिए हम x को 0 कर देंगे बस
Yes.
y को ढूंढने के लिए हमें x को 0 करना होता है
Yes. In this case, right now, because it is not crossing the x-axis. In other cases,
और
there will
हम x को कब करते हैं
come again.
हम x को कब करते हैं सर इसमें तो हमने y को सॉरी x की वैल्यू 0 की ना तो हम y की वैल्यू कब 0 करेंगे y की वैल्यू कब
Again,
0
try
करेंगे
put the value of the y as 0. You won't get any answer. There won't be. Don't worry about it. You won't need the x-intercept. It would be
तो
difficult
सिर्फ
for
x तो
the y
सिर्फ y के आंसर ढूंढना होता है ना?
yes, it's the y-intercept is the most important part.
Okay.
And
Okay.
according to the value of a, if your a is positive, then it is above the horizontal asymptote. And if your a is negative, less than, if it is more than 0, if it is positive, then it would be above the horizontal asymptote. And if it is less than 0, then it will be below the horizontal asymptote. Let's do another example. Let's suppose
Below
we
ये
have,
line के ना जो ये shaded dotted line है.
yes, dotted line. Let's suppose we have 2
नहीं सर
multiplied by
समझ आ गया.
e power x, okay, and then plus 1, let's suppose. So we know whatever that is being added to the exponential part will become the horizontal asymptote. So y is equals to 1. This is what y is equals to 1 will be your horizontal asymptote, HA. So y is equals to 1, let's suppose this is 1. So you will make a dotted line. Y is equals to 1 is the horizontal asymptote. And then find the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, your x is 0. So you put in the value of x as 0, so y is equal to 2 times 3 power 0 plus 1, which will be 2 times 1 plus 1 will be 3. So you have 0 comma 3. So 0 comma 3 will be somewhere here. And because your value of a you can see it is positive. A is 2.
सर 1 नहीं होगा?
What is
2
1?
times 3 2 times 3 power 0 तो 1 हो गया. 3 power 0 0 होता है. 2 times 0.
No. 3 power 0 0 होता है. तौबा करो अभी, तौबा करो.
अच्छा 3 power 0. ओके ठीक है.
तौबा करो अभी.
3 power 0 1 निकलेगा.
जी, anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the
ठीक है.
power is 1. Don't forget. Okay, so look, this is how it will go. It is, the a is positive, so that's why it will be above the horizontal asymptote. That's what I told you.
सर
जी,
अगर 2a है तो 3 क्या है?
बस 3 is your r value, we can say. Look, after comparison.
बिलो में ग्राफ इस तरह होगा.
अब भी करता हूँ. 3 is your r value. Okay, let's do another example.
सर
जी.
एक क्वेश्चन था जो मुझे इसमें डाउट था जो रेसिप्रोकल ग्राफ्स में.
एक मिनट.
रेसिप्रोकल ग्राफ में क्वेश्चन था.
वो तो फिर इसके बाद करते हैं ना. Let's complete this and then
ठीक है.
we can ask the question.
ओके.
Okay, so in this one you can see that your value of b is -2. So y is equals to -2 is your horizontal asymptote. There are some things you need to learn over here. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक क्लास लोगे चिल करो आराम से आंसर आ जाएगा. You will be perfect in this. You will need to learn a few things. So let's suppose this is -1, this is -2. So y is equals to -2. This is the horizontal asymptote. And then you will find the y-intercept. So for the y-intercept, you input your x is 0. So y is equals to -3
-5.
2 power 0 -2. Yeah, so this would be -5. So -3 -4 -5. It is passing through this point. And so now it will be like this.
हाँ ठीक है सर समझ आ गया.
Right? Below the, because your a is negative. So below the horizontal asymptote. Any questions, anyone? Okay. Let's do one more and then we will end this topic as well. Let's suppose you have y is equals to 2 power x plus 3. Anything. So this anything that is being added, it becomes your horizontal asymptote. So y is equals to 3 is your horizontal asymptote. Your a is 1. A is positive. There's nothing being multiplied with 2 power x, so a is 1. So this means it will be above the horizontal asymptote. And so your horizontal asymptote is at 3. 1, 2, 3. So horizontal asymptote at 3. And look at how equal divisions y are. And your y-intercept will be when your x is 0. So y is equals to 2 power 0 plus 3, which will be 1
4.
plus 3, which will be 4. Good. So 4 is over here. And so your graph will be like this.
सर
जी
अगर यहाँ पे 1 नेगेटिव होता तो फिर -3 एसिम्प्टोट होता.
अगर 1 नेगेटिव 1 होता मतलब
जी सर.
if it was over here -1, so the graph will only go like this. Then the y-intercept the horizontal asymptote would still be 3. Okay, horizontal asymptote is the one which is being added outside after the exponential part, but your y-intercept will change. If it would have -1 over here, so this would be -1 plus 3, which would be +2. So the y-intercept would be this one, and then your graph would go like this. Okay,
ओके सर.
below the below the horizontal asymptote. Okay, so now we can end this important topic once and for all. Now we are done with this thing, and hopefully you people have got this. Do some practice on this, make proper notes, and revise this again and again so that you don't forget. There are some things over here that you need to learn, memorize. वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता practice से ही सही होता है. So if you have proper notes and you revise properly regularly, so you won't have a difficulty in this one. So we have done all these types of equation: linear, quadratic, cubic, the two cubic types, and then reciprocal, and then exponential. So I'm going to end this recording for now, and then we'll start again with a new topic.